Welcome. In this video we will see how to easily access and manage related records in Salesforce. Let's get into the demo first. First, open the File Download Manager from the App Launcher. This is where you can manage all your Salesforce files in one place. Start by opening the record you want to work with. In this example, we'll open an account record. Scroll down to the Related Records section. Now select the primary object you want to work with. Then choose the related secondary object to establish the connection. This allows you to view and manage how the two records are linked together. Once the objects are selected, you can expand the related list to see all connected records. Once you've made your selection, click on the Download Files action from the toolbar at the top of the list view. A pop-up will appear where you can choose which files to download. Within seconds, the downloader prepares your files into a single zip folder. For more details or support, contact our team at supporttheretisastormsoftware.com. Try Files Downloader today.